How to reactivate your TikTok account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok app on your device. You will find this kind of screen. Here, click on login at the bottom. After you press on login at the bottom, you will find this kind of screen. Click on use phone, email, username. Then add your phone number, or you can use your email or username. I'm simply adding my username, press on continue. Then it will send verification code. You can go to your email, copy the code, and paste it in the TikTok. It's the same process if you add your phone number. Then click on reactivate. And after you do that, your account will be reactivated. This is how to reactivate your TikTok account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.